Hello everybody, my name is Christian. I'm from the Flower Platform Development team, and I would like to speak to you about Flower Dev Center. Flower Dev Center is a software that facilitates collaborative and collaboration around tasks that are related to development. By that I mean working with models, working with diagrams, a little bit of collaborative coding, and other interesting things that can be done collaboratively. I will jump directly to a demo, and we have here the web interface of the software. I am using localhost instead of the live site because, as you have probably seen, there are some Wi-Fi issues. What I have here, I have checked out from SVN a project, and I have imported. I have here the classes, and I have created a new ML model, and I have synchronized it with the code. So what you see here are the model representations of the source files. And now I want to do the following thing. I want to implement, let's say, so it's a game, it's a scenario. I want to implement a new feature. Let's say I'm a developer contributing to this open source project, Password Safe, and I want to develop something called, let's call it a skinnable dialogues. But I'm not alone. I want to do it in a collaborative manner. Let's say I'm in my office in Paris, in France. I have my colleague Sorin over there. He's connected from his home with his laptop. And I have my other colleague Dana. She's on holiday with her tablet connected because she cannot have a peaceful holiday if she doesn't do some coding and development related discussions. Okay, so we are, let's say, all together on Skype. We are connected to the web interface of the software. First of all, we start from some existing classes, which I dragged on the diagram. And now, let's say that Sorin, who's the most experienced of us on this feature, let's say dialogues, the dialogues feature of the application, want to present something about that. So, as you can see, now he has drawn some figures to draw the attention. He's saying that add dialogue is important, add dialogue constructor is important as well for what we want to do, and of course now he wants to emphasize that I forgot to talk about the OK button. So these kind of tools are meant for presentation. We talk, but we support what we talk with some visual aids. I mean, they're not directly modeling related, but they may be useful when working collaboratively. What I do, I create some dummy classes. Let's say that this one is called skin. The other one is called custom skin. And I have finished my job over here, but my colleagues can contribute to the model as well. You see on the screen that new classes appear, skinnable properties, metadata, and okay, I need to wait for the temporary lock that has been acquired. Okay, now everybody can edit. What I will do, I will make a synchronization of the code. And now, what we have modeled, I mean, it's not very much, there are only 4 classes, but it's on the hard drive. Besides being able to model things in a collaborative model, we can work a little bit with text files as well. Because sometimes it's inspiring to have the code in front of us. We might want to write some snippets of code or we might want to write some pseudocode, or even to navigate a little bit throughout the document, the existing classes. Okay, I have here search dialog similar to the one that we have in Eclipse. Let's say I'm looking for this class. Here, the collaborative tools, the presentation tools work. You can see that Sorin has edited this. I mean, of course, we don't want to generate code that compiles and that works out of the box. But it's interesting to write some ideas over here. What we can do as well is to use the control click, just like we have it in Eclipse, in order to navigate throughout the classes. Let's say we have finished. We are happy with what we do. That means we can commit the code and get back to work in our favorite IDE, of course, Eclipse. Okay, so that was my demo. These are the blog. You can subscribe to the RSS feed to receive info, or the Twitter account. Thank you very much.